everyone, welcome back to my channel for a yarn. Let's crochet these cute french fries. Pull the yarn around your fingers like this, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through and tie the yarn. This is called a slip knot. Yarn over, pull through, this is called chain 7. Skip one chain and make a single crochet into the next chain like this. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We should make in 4 stitches 1 single crochet. After that, in last stitch, we should make 4 single crochet into the same stitch. Don't forget to like this video. After this one, we should make in 4 stitches just 1 single crochet like this. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Like this. In last stitch, we should make 3 single crochet into the same stitch like this. After this, insert your hook into the first single crochet that we marked and yarn over and pull through. This is called a slip knot. Just chain 1. We should work in back loops in this row like this. We should make in 6 stitches 1 single crochet. After that, we should make in this stitch 2 single crochet. This is called increase. We should make 2 increases like this. And after this, in 6 stitches, we should make 1 single crochet. And after that, again, we should make 2 increases in 2 stitches like this. After this, in the first single crochet, we should make a slip stitch. Again, chain 1 and make in each stitch just 1 single crochet. In the end of each row, we should make slip stitch and follow this pattern for 7 rows. Don't forget to mark each first stitches. It helps you too much. After 7 rows, chain 1, tie the yarn, cut it and tie it. After this, we should fasten off like this. Grab your needle and just fasten off. Let's crochet our french fries. In the next, I show you. Pull the yarn around your fingers like this. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. This is called magic ring. Insert your hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We should make 6 single crochet into the magic ring. And in the end, we should make slip stitch into the first single crochet like this. After that, chain 1 and make in each stitches just 1 single crochet, total 6 single crochet. And in the end of each row, we should make slip stitches. Follow this pattern for 8 rows. If you want to make it longer, you should crochet 2 more rows. I just crochet one of them longer. After 8 rows, like this, chain 1 and like this. I glue the eyes to our box and just make our smile like this. With your needle and just tie 2 pieces of yarn together. I make it several times. Then ta-da! And this is our french fries. I use glue in the box. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.